Welcome to the Torre Melina Gran Melia Hotel, where sophistication meets an enchanting ambiance, promising an extraordinary escape. Though its city remains a secret, this hotel is a sanctuary designed for those seeking refined elegance and serene moments. Upon arrival, a sense of tranquility washes over you, inviting you into a world of curated luxury. Each space is thoughtfully designed, blending contemporary style with timeless comfort for a truly bespoke experience. The interiors reflect an artful approach, creating an atmosphere of calm and refined beauty in every corner. Imagine unwinding in beautifully appointed surroundings, where every detail caters to your utmost relaxation. This is more than a hotel. It's a destination where every moment is crafted to inspire and rejuvenate. Your unforgettable escape begins here at the Torre Melina Gran Melia Hotel. Discover your perfect sanctuary.